Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn this off. But we got like tornado coming. This cloud I hope isn't coming my way. But it's starting, if you could see, it's got an updraft. There's an updraft and it keeps pulling it up and then it swirls around and then it almost comes down. And it keeps doing this and keeps doing this. Now the end of it's stretched out, so we're pretty good. I hope. Oh, there goes the funnel. There, it's spinning. I might have to back up because it was coming my way. Yep, it's down. Here's a tornado. I got it. Caught it building. And the tornado touched down. And it lifted right back up. I don't want to get much closer. I can't get no closer. And then it just disappeared. That is just amazing. Now there goes a small funnel. You see the other little one trying to pull next door to it. Sorry, I'm in my Ford Taurus, and it's not much of a vehicle, but it's doing good now. See that one funnel up there, and now it's pulling away. Better make sure there ain't nothing above me. There it goes. There goes more. And I'm hoping this goes away, because there's farms on the other side. They're just dissipated. So I think I'm going to back up because it's heading toward me again. We got a little part right up above my finger that keeps swirling, and the other one comes around, and then this one's been coming down. So it keeps building little funnels off the end of it. I think we're good now. Thank God.